Hi! Magandang araw! Kumusta ka? I'm Teacher Marichelle. I was born and raised here in the Philippines. So, I'm a native Tagalog speaker and I'm super excited to be your online tutor. If you're looking to practice Tagalog, you're definitely come to the right place. I love helping students from different backgrounds to achieve their language goals. Naintindihan ko na minsan nakakakaba magsalita ng bagong wika, especially when you're afraid of making mistakes. But in my class, mistakes are completely welcome because that's how we truly learn. Interactive at casual lang ang teaching style ko. Whether you need help with grammar, vocabulary, or business communication, or just want to practice casual Tagalog conversation, I customize every single lessons based on your unique goals and learning speed. Gagawin nating fun and engaging ang lessons so learning feels natural and stress-free. Book a trial with me today and let's start working on your language journey together. Kita-kits sa class. See you soon!